The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and or themes that are not for people under the age of 13.
Starasz się jak ja, by noc była cicha. Budzisz się i znika czar, co przyniesie dzień. I na wiele pytań odpowiedzi nie szukaj sam. Tym jak miłość, krew i wino, nagły blask, gdy kochasz pierwszy raz. Tym jak miłość, serca siła, którą masz na zły i dobry czas.
There's this new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie coming out.
Really?
Yeah, I'm watching the trailer right now and it's so epic.
I think we may need to talk.
Today's paper dance funeral. We have to respect their wishes and pay some respects to them.
Plan B it is.
Damn, this house is sick.
Jackpot.
Come on, let's get out of here before we get caught.
We are gonna kill her. We are gonna end her life and destroy her friends' lives. If you tell anyone, or the police, or even the FBI, your whole family will end up dead in a coffin.
Get an ambulance! Now!
Stay with me, please! I love you.
Legalább egy ember súlyosan megsérült, miután 4 férfi tüzet nyitott a nyíregyházi északi temetőben. A többi részletet egyelőre nem ismerjük, de egy szemtanú szerint a lövöldözés Megyipeskinek szólt, aki megölte az egyik maffiatagot. A rendőrség később véletlen találatnak tekintette a lövöldözést, bár még mindig keresik a felelősöket. További részletek később érkeznek.
Where have you been? I thought those thugs killed you.
Don't ask me, Mabel. I've been through enough today.
But where's Maggie? Is she okay?
Yeah, she's safe. Vanna's not in a good way, however.
Yeah, that's what the news said. I hope Vanna will make it.
Well, did you get that fly girl yet?
Well, no, we didn't. We got another woman instead.
What? What do you mean you shot another woman? What is wrong with you?
Listen, it was an accident. That hit was meant for Maggie, but she dodged it.
Jesus Christ! How can you all be so stupid?
What are we going to do now, boss? The police are already investigating what happened, and they are threatening to lock us up.
Do we have to hide somewhere else? Or perhaps flee to another country?
I'll think about it. But right now, you have to stay put.
Susanna, wait. I just wanted to say, I'm sorry about what happened with Vinay. Do I know how she's doing right now?
I don't want to talk about it right now.
Why not? Vinay's your daughter. I know you fear for her safety.
I know, but ever since Paper Annan died, I always knew something was wrong. Vanna has been going on about this spying business and wants to bring down the underworld.
Then what are we going to do? You have to talk her out of the spying.
I wish I could, but she won't believe me. If those gangsters really try to kill Vanna, it will be my fault.
What are you talking about? No one is blaming you for Vinay. She'll be fine, I promise.
Hey Red, can you please call me back and sort out the workshop? It's really messy out there and I can't afford a cleaner. Just come home and let me know when you get this. What the hell? How did you get into my house? The security cameras didn't even capture you coming in here.
I was waiting for you, Chuck. It was about time we had a chat.
What do you want? Travis, what are you after?
What do you think? The drugs.
What drugs? We don't even do drugs.
I am not an idiot, Chuck. I know you are hiding the money in your house, and the drugs too.
Sir, I think you're in the wrong house.
No, you're the only person I ever want to talk with. I need the cash, I need the drugs, and all the other things. No guns. Or, if you resist, your family could be in trouble.
Whoopi? Hey. Get out of our house right now, you creep. You're trespassing.
What? I was just leaving, that's all.
Not just yet, Travis. I want to know exactly why you want to steal the drugs, although we don't even have them.
Drugs? What drugs? What is he talking about?
Well, so buddy, how do you feel now that you're back home?
Yeah, Mel, so you things were not the same since Kif died. I am alone, I am broke, and I literally got no one else to support me. You're the only man I know that can help me get through this.
You forgot that I'm still in danger.
Well, yes, but what does that got to do with this? I know you, Scissors. I was there when Blind Spot and Howard shot you almost to death. I could have ended up like Kif did.
Look, here's a clever thing. We have to remain quiet, okay? I only just found out about the funeral shooting, and poor Pesky almost got herself killed. If it happens again, you'll be the one to stop it. That's for sure.
What the hell do you think you're doing?